Hello everyone, this is our second videos discussion for JEENPAS 2021 exam question paper, biological sciences. So breathing rate in mammals, breathing rate in mammals is controlled by a part of the brain called breathing rate actually controlled by the medulla oblongata. So answer will be option A. Breathing rate in mammals is controlled by medulla oblongata. Now, second 16 question number 16. Simple squamous epithelial is found in simple squamous epithelial cell found in the alveoli. So answer will be option 3. Simple squamous epithelial cell found in alveoli. 17 question number sarcomere is part between two z lines. Sarcomere is the distance between two z line is called sarcomere is the distance between two Z line. Which of the following hormone is not secreted by human placenta? HCG, estrogen, progesterone, and LH. HCG, we know that HCG is human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. It is released by placenta. It is known as pregnancy test hormone. Estrogen, progesterone also released from placenta. LH is released from anterior pituitary. So it's a GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. So answer will be option D, that is LH. Which of the following hormones induces contraction of uterine walls during childbirth? Which of the following induces contraction of uterine wall during childbirth? It will be oxytocin, it will be oxytocin. Oxytocin is known as birth hormone and milk ejecting hormone. Birth hormone and milk ejecting hormone is oxytocin. Parathormone, thyroxine, somatotrophic hormone. So answer will be oxytocin. In which stage of meiosis 1 crossing over takes place? Crossing over, option A, leptotene, zygotene, diplotin, and pachytene. We know that in during leptotene stage bouquet stage form, zygotene the synaptonymal complex form, synapses formation occurs in zygotene stage, and pachytene stage crossing over takes place, and in diplotin stage chiasma formation occurs. Chiasma is the result of crossing over. We got the X shape structure in the diplotin stage, and pachytene stage the crossing over takes place. So answer will be option D. In which stage of meiosis 1 crossing over takes place? It will be pachytene stage. A group of interbreeding population which is reproductively isolated from other such group is called species. We know that species is defined as according to biological species concept. Species are actually or potentially interbreeding natural population which are reproductively isolated from other such groups. That's given by the Meyer. So Meyer given the biological species concept. So according to biological species concept definition, so a group of interbreeding population which is reproductively isolated from other such group is called species. So answer will be option A. Blastopore is the opening of xylem, option A. Option B, morula. Option C, blastocele. Option D, archenteron. Xylem is the opening of archenteron. Blastopore is the opening of archenteron. Xylem, morula, blastocele, and archenteron. Answer will be option D. Which of the following is the infective stage of malaria? ম্যালেরিয়ার ক্ষেত্রে কোনটা নিম্নলিখিত মধ্যে কোনটি ম্যালেরিয়ার সংক্রমণ অবস্থা? The sporozoite is the infective stage of malaria. Trophozoite, merozoite, cryptozoite, sporozoite. So answer will be sporozoite, option D. Final maturation of Graafian follicle and ovulation are induced by. Now here maturation of FS, option A FSH, option B LH, progesterone, estrogen. Now FSH is known as follicle stimulating hormone, LH is known as luteinizing hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone, it helps in development of follicle, and LH. Now ovulation occurs due to increase of LH level. We know that LH surge leads to ovulation. LH surge leads to ovulation. So answer will be option B. So final maturation of Graafian follicle and ovulation are induced by LH. LH surge occurs. Due to this LH surge, ovulation takes place. Progesterone actually known as pregnancy maintenance hormone. Progesterone helps to maintain pregnancy. Estrogen and estrogen also in help in pregnancy. also. And estrogens give a positive feedback for that in day 12 and day 12 and day 13. Estrogen give a positive feedback to increase the high level of LH, so that the LH surge occur. Due to estrogen increasing during menstrual cycle, LH surge occurs. Surgical sterilization prevent pregnancy by অস্ত্রোপচারজনিত নির্বীজকরণ গর্ভধারণের ধারণ প্রতিরোধ করে। সার্জিক্যাল স্টেরিলাইজেশন প্রিভেন্ট প্রেগন্যান্সি বাই ব্লকিং ওভুলেশন, অপশন এ। অপশন বি, ব্লকিং গ্যামেট ট্রান্সফার। অপশন সি, ব্লকিং ক্যাপাসিটেশন। অপশন ডি, ব্লকিং ইমপ্ল্যান্টেশন। সার্জিক্যাল স্টেরিলাইজেশন প্রিভেন্ট প্রেগন্যান্সি বাই 25, option B, blocking gametes transport. Surgical sterilization prevent pregnancy by blocking gamete transport. 25, answer will be option B. Now, in meiosis, haploid condition occurs at. In meiosis, haploid condition occurs at in anaphase 1. In meiosis, haploid condition occurs at anaphase, option A, anaphase 1, option B, anaphase 2, option C, metaphase 2, option D, telophase 1. Answer will be anaphase 1. DNA proofreading is done by DNA proofreading activity done by DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 1 is known as Kornberg enzyme. DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 3 is the main replicating enzyme. Here option is given: A, RNA polymerase; B, helicase; C, DNA polymerase; D, topoisomerase. DNA proofreading is done by DNA polymerase. The pigment responsible for photomorphogenic response in plant is the photopigment responsible for photomorphogenic response in plant is chlorophyll, xanthophyll, phytochrome, carotene. Photomorphogenic response in plant is done by phytochrome. Chlorophyll is a photosynthetic pigments molecules. So answer will be option C, phytochrome. Now, dumbbell-shaped guard cells are found in which one of the following? Wheat, bean, sunflower, groundnut. ডাম্বেল আকৃতি পরিকোষ বা গার্ড সেলস কোন ক্ষেত্রে পাওয়া যায়? Basically, those are monocot plants. They have this dumbbell-shaped stomata. Answer will be wheat. 29A. 30. Which phase of aerobic respiration is called amphibolic pathway? Glycolysis, terminal respiration, Krebs cycle, and oxidative decarboxylation. In aerobic respiration, there is a amphibolic pathway. Amphi means both. There is a catabolic and anabolic both reaction. When in a pathway both reaction takes place, then we call it as a amphibolic pathway. And Krebs cycle is one of the important amphibolic pathway, right? So answer will be option C, that is Krebs cycle, the phase of aerobic respiration which is called amphibolic pathway, that is Krebs cycle. Respiratory quotient of which one of the following is highest? কোন ক্ষেত্রে respiratory quotient highest? Now 31, respiratory quotient highest in 31B, malic acid. Respiratory quotient or RQ of which of the following is highest in malic acid? Malic acid এর ক্ষেত্রে respiratory quotient highest, because we know organic acid the respiratory quotient is highest. Now, xenogamy is a type of pollination involved two genetically different plants. B, two genetically identical plants. C, insect. D, winds. Xenogamy is a two genetically different plants. Pollination involves two genetically different plants. Now, question number 33. Which of the following plant hormone plays a crucial role in organ differentiation? It will be gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid involves the organ differentiation. Auxin, ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone which is called fruit ripening hormone. Abscisic acid and auxin. Abscisic acid is a senescence inducing hormones, and auxin also helps in cell division. So organ differentiation, major important role played by gibberellic acid. Mosses and ferns are found in moist and shady places because both of them require presence of water for fertilization. So answer will be option C. Mosses and ferns are found in moist and shady places because require presence of water for fertilization. So 34 will be option C. নিষেকের জন্য জলের দরকার হয়। এদের ক্ষেত্রে নিষেকের জন্য জলের দরকার হয়। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং গ্রুপ অফ অ্যালগি ডু নট হ্যাভ ইউক্যারিওটিক অর্গানাইজেশন? কোন ধরনের শৈবালে আদর্শ কোষের সংগঠন থাকে না? এটা হলো ব্লু গ্রিন অ্যালগি, অপশন সি 35C. So answer will be blue green algae. It's a bacteria, it's a cyanobacteria. Blue green algae is a cyanobacteria, right? It's a prokaryotes, not an eukaryotic organization. So question do not have eukaryotic organization, it will be blue green algae. The point at which the polytene chromosome appears to be attached together is called chromocenter. Is called chromocenter. Polytene chromosome we found in Drosophila in salivary gland. It's also known as salivary gland chromosome. Polytene chromosome is also a giant chromosome, right? So it's a chromocenter will be the answer. Central amorphous mass found in the nuclei of larva of salivary gland of Drosophila is called chromocenter. So answer is option D. Cymose inflorescence is found in which of the following? Cymose inflorescence found in Solanum. Answer will be option C. Sexual reproduction is absent in which of the following? Sexual reproduction absent in, answer will be nostoc. Nostoc, we do not found any sexual reproductive stage, right? Nostoc, they reproduce by colony formation, homogonia, acynates, or heterocyst formation, right? So answer will be nostoc. The eye of the potato is an it is an axillary bud. Eye of an potato is an axillary bud. Transport of food material in higher plants takes place through, it will be sieve elements. So transport of food materials in higher plant takes place through sieve element, option D. Now 41, characteristically endosperm is, we know that endosperm formed by the polar nuclei and male gamete, they form triploid endosperm. Endosperm always triploid. So 41 answer will be C. Endosperm is triploid. So 42, in which one of the following ways mycorrhizal association with plant roots and fungi both partners benefited? Fungi get sugar from plant. Answer will be fungi get sugar from plant and plants get mineral nutrition from fungi. And 42 answer will be option C. 43, the presence of the process of nitrification can be described as, process of nitrification can be described as option B, oxidation of ammonia to nitrate. Oxidation of ammonia to nitrate is called nitrification. 44, overlapping zone of two ecosystem is called biome, biotype, ecotone, ecotype. Ecotone is the transitional zone between two ecosystem is called ecotone. The major site of lipid biosynthesis in eukaryotic cell is, it's a endoplasmic reticulum. Answer will be option C. 46, select the correct food chain of the following, it will be option C, that is phytoplankton, zooplankton, and fish. So 46 C. 47, 47, and this question is asking which of the following is found in xerophytic plant. We found xerophytic plant have a sunken stomata. 48, which of the following pairs is correctly matched? 48 answer will be option A, spindle shaped body, aquatic adaptation. 49, two pairs of wings of cockroach are, two pairs of wings of cockroach are on. 49 answer will be option B, that is mesothorax and metathorax. Last question, which of the following is not a characteristics of insect? Three body division, three pairs of jointed legs, two pairs of antennae, excretion by Malpighian tube. In case of insect, have a one pair of antennae. So false statement is two pairs of antennae. So answer will be option C. In case of insect, there is a three pairs of jointed legs are there. They are excretion by Malpighian tubules, and they also have three head, thorax, and abdomen, three body segments also there. So they have most of the insect have one pair of antennae. It here and question is given two pairs of antennae. So correct answer is option C. That is it's a wrong answer. Now question is asking which is not a characteristic feature of insects. So answer will be two pairs of antennae. Option C is the wrong one. Hope this helpful. Thank you.